My name is Will Oliver. I'm a professor of electrical engineering and computer science and a professor of physics at MIT, and I work on quantum computing. And as you may know, one of the applications of quantum computing is to run Shor's algorithm, which attacks our current public key crypto system. And what that means is the way that we are exchanging keys on the internet, which we all do every day, will become susceptible to attack by a future quantum computer. When we can build a quantum computer that's large enough to run Shor's algorithm to compromise these crypto systems. Now that's a ways off, we think, maybe 10, 20, or even 30 years. But nonetheless, we need to do something because, again, the current crypto system that we are using for public key crypto is susceptible to attack. And the answer is basically something we've been studying for the last 10 years, and that is post-quantum crypto. Completely classical, has nothing to do with quantum, except it's a different way to do key exchange. And by doing key exchange using these new post-quantum crypto schemes, for example, one is called Kyber, the idea is that we believe that this will be immune to attack by a future quantum computer, to the best of our knowledge. Now, we haven't stress tested it that long. We've been trying to factor numbers for 3,000 years, and we know that that's hard. Kyber is relatively new. But many experts have, tried, and they think that this is the way to go. And we need to switch over now. And the reason that we need to switch over is that even though we don't have a quantum computer right now at the scale that can run Shor's algorithm, it becomes a risk-benefit analysis. Will we have that computer in 10 years? I don't know. 15 years? Well, I'm a little less certain than I don't know. 20 years, 30 years. At some point we know that we will. And at that point, we will be able to decrypt messages. There are messages or information that we are encrypting today that we want to retain security over in the future. And if somebody records that message today and holds it, at some point in the future, they will be able to read it. And that's why we need to switch over today to post-quantum crypto. Second reason we need to change over now is it's going to take time. It's both a software and a hardware aspect. Of course, Kyber is implemented via software, but there's also a lot of hardware that's embedded in systems that is used to encrypt. And we also need to update that hardware. So it's going to take time and money, and we should get started today.